Hello everybody. I hope you can hear me over the cricket. It is Sunday evening. So normally I would start this on a Monday. But I'm working right now and I'm gonna be doing a lot of hole punching. So I figured we could do that together, you know? And get to work, get ready for the week, because this is gonna be a big week. A lot of sewing, a lot of photography and hole punching and gluing and just like getting ready for next week with the launch of everything. So that's what's gonna go on. And yeah, so I have the pile of all of the lightning bolts and their matching discs, like stud dots. So those all each need hole punches. All of the arches need hole punches along with their matching circle stud things. So let's start with the hole punching, get that over with, and then I will break out all of the studs and the glue. At least we'll just get all the gluing done at the end. And then we'll move on to doing some sewing. I'm gonna have the Cricut going the whole time. Hopefully I can get some lobsters cut out. It's not looking good. It's just shredding them right now, so I don't think I'm gonna be able to make lobsters. Maybe they just have to be bigger. These ones are like half an inch smaller than the ones I made before, and I'm really sad because it feels like I've ruined a bunch of leather trying to make them, but it's not looking good. So let's just get into making some stuff, and we'll see where we get to tonight, yeah? Look, I showered. You can't really tell, but I promise I showered. I promise I stink less than I did yesterday too. Okay, I need to assemble a bunch of earrings. I have one pair of each made so far. These bronze arches, because I needed to take photos and I was in a hurry, so. Then I've got these leopard lightning bolts, which are just a favorite. I love these so much. Thank you, Stephanie, for asking me to make these for you. Then I have a very limited number of these. There will be 4 pairs total leopard arches, because, let's see, 4 pairs, because that's all I could get out of what I had left. So that's it, that's all. Then I'll be out. So I need to assemble the 3 different kinds of earrings. I have a ton of studs. I don't know, I was doing something earlier and my phone tipped over. I was filming a TikTok on my table here. My phone tipped over and stabbed itself onto one of the little studs. So now it looks like there's a little tiny bullet hole through my screen protector, and my screen protector is supposed to be stab proof. So I'll have to go to Best Buy sometime this week and get it replaced, because that's where I got it, and they put it on when I bought my phone, or maybe I got it at TELUS, I don't know. I had them put it on. I'm not going to TELUS because they're in the mall, and I mean, Best Buy is almost as bad because it's a huge box store, but like, they're very good at controlling the traffic, and I just don't want to go through the whole mall to get to TELUS, my provider, like my cell phone provider. So I think it's Best Buy that I'll be going to. Hopefully I'll be able to get a new screen protector, get them to put it on, because it's like one of those ones where it's like liquid and it like settles and you can't touch it for a while. So anyways, I have a bunch of earrings to make. So I'm just gonna pull out a bunch of jump rings. I've got my 2 pairs of pliers. I'm gonna tilt you guys so you can see what I'm doing. And we'll get into a time lapse, shall we? Okay, it may look like I'm wearing the exact same thing as yesterday, but I promise you I am not. It is now Thursday. I had to actually stop putting together earrings last night because my hands were just aching. So I need to finish putting together the earrings. Then I need to do some sewing. So yeah. That's my task for the day. I just have the lightning bolts left to do, and then I can go and sew. All of the leopard arches are done, and then all of the bronze arches are also done. I should probably hang these up on the wall, but I'm not ready to yet. So anyways, that's what I need to do. It's like late in the day. I don't even know what time it is because my phone is charging. It's late enough that I need to charge my phone battery because I've been on TikTok all day. I had to leave the house at like 8:30 this morning to take my sister to work for 9. Then I had to do some errands. Let's see, I had to go and pick up dog food. I ordered it ahead of time for curbside from PetSmart. Which is great because like they're super fast. I ordered it this morning and it was ready less than 2 hours later, so that was great. I ordered it before they opened, so it was just waiting there to be fulfilled when they opened. Then I had to pick up a curbside order from Toys R Us because I've now gotten myself into mini brands and they're very entertaining and make me very happy, so I keep buying them. This is only my second round, but I bought 2 of them the first time and I bought 3 this time, but one of them was a toy mini brands ball. So of course I got just a tiny frisbee, a basket, a hula hoop, lamest toy of all time, classic but lame, And what else did I got? Oh, I got the dinosaur robot. There was something else. I can't really remember. Anyway, got some good stuff in the food mini brands, so that was good. I got the checkout counter, which was fun. The scale is very off on mini brands, let me just tell you. It is comical how small the checkout counter is in comparison to the French's crispy onion things that I got. Like, I'm sorry, what? No, the onions do not take up the whole dang counter when you put them on. I know because I used to work at Walmart. They're not that big. I feel like there should be some sort of scale established, but there doesn't seem to be, so it's annoying, but also I'm probably gonna keep buying them. Yes, also bought a Squishmallow today. It won't be arriving until tomorrow because everywhere around me is sold out of them, so I just buckled and bought it on Amazon. And yes, I know Amazon is not an official retailer of them, but it was on Prime, so I trust that it's gonna arrive. If it doesn't, I mean, I'll get my money back, but I wanted one. I wanted one of the really big ones, and no one seemed to have them. And I didn't really want to go to Costco. So, because while I technically have a Costco membership because I'm on my mom's, I don't know where my card is. Costco is the bane of my existence, and it seemed kind of like hell attempting to go in there during a pandemic. So, I am not going to Costco. Just like I won't be entering a Walmart voluntarily either during a pandemic. If I have to get anything from there, I order it online and either have it delivered or pick up a grocery order, because I am not going in there on purpose. No thank you. Not in this lifetime. Or not in this pandemic time, I guess. I'm just not. I already hate that place a lot. So, anyways, now I just need to finish putting together all of these earrings. And then put them on cards, and then sew up the pouches. I do need to take photos of everything still, like proper, not me in the photo kind of photos, because I need them to go on the website, and I need to get those done before Monday, I guess, like, because they go live on Wednesday and they have to be prepared and ready to go for the email that I write on Monday. I'm just rambling at this point in time and thinking out loud. This is how it works in my house. We just sort of like ramble and think out loud to whoever will listen. And you guys have been listening for 6 minutes now, so thank you. I appreciate that. Okay, I'm gonna go now and get this done. You've seen enough time lapses of these. I won't bore you with that until I get to sewing, okay? Everybody, it is Wednesday and I am about to edit this video. I know, I'm late, as usual. Nothing new but that. I don't have an outro. hence why I'm in my pajamas. My dog is attempting to climb on my lap, and I just wanted to say, have a great week, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget that if you're seeing this video, right now, the shop update is live, and you can go shop it right now. It's linked in the description, or it's rebelliousclove.com, where you can get all your leather goodies, all the leopard, all the bronze. Ooh, let me show you the pouches that I just made. So this bronze pouch, so this is the small pouch. And then I've got mini snake print ones, which are super cute little half moon pouches. I've got 2 of those. I've got 2 small snake print ones. So they're cut from the snake print suede. I have 2 leopard print ones. And then I have 2 large pouches in the leopard. And then I have 1 bronze pouch. The only thing is when I was sewing it, there's like, when I folded it around, there's a really small spot where I might just sell this one for a bit of a discount, just because it looks like it's ripped even though it's not. So anyway, this one will be up for a slight discount. These are normally $30, and they will be up for, this one will be up for $25. The other ones, the big ones, will be $30. These ones are $20. All of these are $20. And then these ones are $15. Okay, so I will see you guys soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, you know, all the things. Abby says hi, but I'm not putting her on my lap because I'm not wearing a bra, and you guys don't need to see that. Thanks for hanging out with me. Bye!